Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken broth. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which can include backs, necks, or even feet for extra gelatin. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables: 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. A few sprigs of fresh parsley and a bay leaf will add wonderful herbaceous notes to our flavorful broth. Now, let's prepare our bones for maximum flavor. Roasting your chicken bones for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit before simmering will add a beautiful depth of color and taste. Place the roasted bones and vegetables in a large pot, then cover them with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 24 hours for the richest broth. As your broth simmers, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface, especially during the first hour. It's important to skim these off regularly with a ladle to ensure a clear, clean broth. Once your broth has simmered for the desired time, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth-lined colander. Gently press the solids to extract every last drop of that delicious liquid, but avoid squeezing too forcefully, which can make the broth cloudy. After straining, allow your homemade chicken broth to cool completely before storing it. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures its freshness. Transfer the cooled broth into airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller portions for several months. This versatile liquid is perfect as a flavorful base for countless dishes, from hearty soups and rich sauces to creamy risottos and savory gravies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.